In April 2021, I stumbled upon the concept of uploading and selling no-content books on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, and I found it as a really interesting idea. It is a concept that allows people to publish their simple notebooks and make money from it. And of course, I thought I would give it a try. So I started finding out everything I need to know about KDP, and I thought I would try the simplest tactic: publishing lined notebooks. Honestly, publishing lined notebooks is as simple as it gets. You make an interesting cover, add around 100 lined pages, and publish it on all available marketplaces on Amazon. My plan was simple. Without proper keyword research, I want to put my designs from Redbubble on covers of lined notebooks to create additional income from these designs. So I threw myself into the work and published over 70 books as soon as possible. And the result, after 1 year, I sold a few books and I didn't make even $10. Is this a failure? Of course it is. But I have also learned a few things I want to share with you. And at the same time, I decided to implement everything I learned and try it with KDP a little more seriously. This is nothing new. It doesn't matter if you are selling your designs on Redbubble, Etsy, or trying to publish no-content book on Amazon. Finding the right niche is the key to success. If you think you can just publish any low or no content book on Amazon and make money, you are wrong. Amazon is flooded with notebooks, journals, diaries, and coloring books. So that is why it is important to niche down. Find a less saturated niche where people can find your books. There are a few ways to carry out this research with free or paid tools, and I will cover this in detail in future videos. But simply put, it is necessary to find a long-tail keyword with around 1000 results and less. Honestly, if you find a keyword with less than 1000 results for a niche, it is an indicator of low competition. This means that your book has a big chance of showing up on the first or second page of Amazon search results. In fact, all the notebooks I have sold are in the niche with low competition. So this is the first and most important lesson I have learned. You have to focus on publishing books in categories with low competition and with sufficient demand. You need to do your research and niche down. If you think you can make a living by publishing lined notebooks, then you are so wrong. This party was in 2016 and a few years later when Amazon launched the paperback option for KDP. Since then, the marketplace is oversaturated with notebooks and other low-content books. While the first step is the hardest, don't waste your time with lined notebooks. Start creating more complicated products. Make logbooks, special journals, or coloring books in an interesting niche. This is the path you want to take. You want to spend time on research, spend time creating interesting books, and you want to focus on the keyword-rich title and description. This is because keyword optimization is more important on Amazon than on Redbubble. So even though you are just starting out, you need to pay full attention to all the important aspects. Unlike Redbubble, you don't want to flood the market with hundreds of low-quality books. With Amazon KDP, you need to focus on the quality of your books. So the motto here should be quality over quantity. You have to understand that you are on Amazon and you have a chance to create a life-changing opportunity. Amazon has the audience. It also allows you to advertise your products inside the marketplace. So there are tons of ways to make money here. In my opinion, your goal should be building a long-term business with quality products. I'm sure the money will follow. Just in case, if you are asking yourself if it is too late to start with Amazon KDP and if it's worth your time, then let's make it clear. Yes, it is worth trying to sell books on Amazon. And even though I have only sold a few books in a year, I think I have learned enough to start making more complicated books and make pretty solid money. I think with the proper research and good designs, there is a lot of opportunities. If you want to start now. There is no reason why you shouldn't try publishing books through Amazon KDP. And if you want to know more about this amazing opportunity, then I would like to say I'm starting again. I will try to make more videos about KDP and low content books and everything around it. I will try to approach this business from the perspective of a CEO expert, but at the same time make videos for complete beginners. So, if you want, stay connected to this channel for future videos about Amazon KDP.